Hi, my name's Tiffany, founder of the award-winning Bevy and Dave. We create educational learning tools for preschool children that focus on fostering positive self-identity, sparking curiosity, and building leaders. Now, what made me create this company back in 2015 was because I understood very clearly that if we want Black children to succeed and excel in school and in life, that they needed to be connected to their global African heritage, history, and culture through a positive lens. So Bevy and Dave has been devoted to that, and we continue to make more products to help our children through toys, through games, through puzzles, through animation films, and other digital resources. If you want to learn more, visit us at bevyanddave.com. We encourage you to share us with your family and friends and with fellow educators. Bevy and Dave is now expanding into school districts. We think it's important that all children have access to Bevy and Dave tools. So please get in contact with us at bevyanddave.com.